military, wake up. There is a fractured governance na bali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. If you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, it's an option sa military. To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako, punta kayo kay Marcos, kay, hindi kami nagipag-contest kay Marcos.